Hello everyone, welcome to the second video on teachable machine. Last time we did the audio project, so today we are gonna do the image project. You're gonna ask me, what type of image project are we gonna do? Well, we are gonna train this to recognize the hand gestures of a person. Let's start. First, get into teachable machine and click new project to get into this page. Then you press the image project button right here. Then you click standard image model. First you choose the class. For me, I'm gonna go with thumbs up. And then you switch on the webcam. And I'll put a thumbs up right here. And you record it. And if I were you, I would try to put both hands, as they differ sometimes. I recommend you doing around 110 image samples. Not too many, not too short. We need at least 2 so that it can actually differentiate. For me, I'm gonna go with fist. Same thing here. Switch on the webcam, put a fist out. Right, left hand first, then right hand. Around 110. Okay, I wanted 121 by accident, but who cares? So then click on the train model button to train the model. This might take a minute or two, but it purely depends on how much image samples you've taken, which is why I advise you not to go less than 90 images, but not over like 200. Like 200 is the basic max. First, it's just nothing. It will just be one of them because, like, well, why not? So I'm gonna put the thumbs up. And it's gonna be definite, and I'm gonna do the fist. The fist should rocket. Yeah, so it's going up and down, and that means there's something wrong here. I'm just gonna, well, and we can clearly see what's wrong. Alright, I'm gonna delete this class, then add a class again. Yeah, you can do that. I just did that. Because it just looks very strange. So I'm just gonna put my fist here, as high as I can. Remember, you can, alright, okay, I've hit like 110. Train it again. Wait. And if you see just now, I switched the input off. And yes, it's something you can do. So now I'm just gonna put a thumbs up. See, the percentage is higher. You know it's flickering. Now if I do my fist, it's higher. Because just now my position was down, which makes it look a little weird. So if something wrong with that, try to draw a look at your pictures and try to figure out what's wrong. Now you can do the same thing for infinite many classes with stuff like I don't know, like this or 5 or something like that. And so like that shouldn't be what do you call it, paper. Add a new class. Yeah, you can do infinitely many. All you have to do is train the model. Oh yeah, gentle reminder. every class should have at least one sample. Otherwise, the system will be really annoying and force you to do many samples. So now I'm just gonna do this, which people call it a mini things. So I'm just gonna call it class 5 just to be safe. And I'm also gonna do this. They just train model, then everything should be fine. No matter what you do, all you have to do is train model. But since it's only 18 images, it won't be that much. Like at least 90. I mean, like, for this is just a demonstration I'm showing you guys, so yeah. So that's it. This is a basic summarization. See if I do a fist, cheese, paper. Oh wait, no, sorry, somewhere here I think. Yeah, paper. Something's wrong with my paper. Now you know, right? Because the paper, it only has very less models. That's the problem. So now I'm just gonna do as many papers as I can. See, that just proves my point that you need way more than the amounts just now. I'm gonna train the model again. So yeah, you can choose your own hand gestures, but remember to put that smack in the middle and like around 90 to 150. Alright, so there's nothing. It'll just flicker around unless you just choose your background and make a background and just say that is that. Yep. So thumbs up first. Fist. Paper. Cheese, which is what we call class 5. See, it's all working. And if you press the export model, you can, there's a lot of code here. Then if you press upload my model, uploading, you have to wait for this to turn green. Let's wait for a while. This will probably take a long time. Longer than training, in fact, so I should probably skip this part. See? It says your green model is up to date. So you just press the copy button. They just paste the link wherever you want. So that's it for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you in the next one.